All right, guys, we got a 2021 Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote. What we got done, factory converter there. Then it goes into a custom True Flow X pipe we just put in there instead of the resonator. Then we reused their pipe, 2.5. Then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And put 2 DYNOMAX race bullets, 24 250s. There'll be a link in the description for them. And quad tips out the back, 4-inch. There'll be a link for them also. There and there to complete the look of sexiness. Tell me what you guys think. Is that right? Doesn't it look sexy? I think it does. 2021 Ford Mustang. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, guys, got a 2018 Mustang GT 5.0. There's an MBRP system, catback system on it.
Burp.
Thanks. Factory converters there and there. MBRP system starts here. H5 all the way back. J pipe on it. Chrome double tips. Looks good. We'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, guys, we're going to record our first initial startup reaction. She's out. Yes. Yeah. Much better. Sound decibels? 116. Even better in person. The videos don't give it justice. Let it idle. Here it is at idle, guys. Got even a really nice clean idle, as you guys can see. Rev it! Back it up. Are you going to eventually replace it?
Right now they're going for 50. They only MSRP for 38.
Yeah, I know. It's so deep. You can hear the lion coming out of that car. It was a Mustang, now it's a purebred Mustang. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
Hear it on the inside.
drive off number 2 Ford Mustang 5.0 with DYNOMAX race bullets, X-Pipe, everything else deleted, high flow or regular cats actually. It sounds good with the DYNOMAX bullets. I like the sound of it. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.
2018 Mustang GT 5.0. MBRP system, catback.